Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Liftmaster garage door opener has stopped responding properly, lost connection with remotes, or is showing unusual behavior, performing a reset may help restore normal operation. Temporary glitches and stored settings can sometimes interfere with the performance of the Liftmaster garage door opener, but fortunately, many of these issues can be resolved without replacing the unit. Resetting the opener gives you a fresh starting point and allows you to reprogram accessories if needed. The process is simple and doesn't require advanced tools. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that may help you successfully reset your LiftMaster garage door opener. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the LiftMaster garage door opener is powered on and not moving. Step 2. Locate the Learn button on the LiftMaster garage door opener housing. Step 3. Press and hold the Learn button on the LiftMaster garage door opener to clear saved devices. Step 4. Give the LiftMaster garage door opener a moment to complete the reset process. Step 5. Reconnect remotes and keypads to the LiftMaster garage door opener if required. Step 6. Test the LiftMaster garage door opener and confirm that it is operating normally again.